What is up, everyone? Today we are playing some Just Cause 3. Now, I did play this a bit, but the audio quality wasn't very good, so I had to cut it. Well, let's go into our new adventure.
Tourist destination of Medici. The annual festivities are held in honor of Medici's de facto head of state, General Sebastiano di Ravello.
I'm the troubled star, pumpkin instigate. I'm the fear addicted, danger illustrated. This is pure insanity. I'm a fire star, twisted fire star.
Explosion averted.
Di Ravello's iron grip holds firm amidst numerous reports of human rights violations. Some dissenters are allegedly sentenced to forced labor, mining the mysterious material Bavarium, while others seemingly just disappear.
I'm the self-inflicted, my detonator.
No one should wield the power of the man.
I'm the one infected, twisted, animated.
You are welcome, son. You are welcome.
I'm a fire starter. You're a fire starter.
Burn it! Cannot sit idly by as these terrorists...
What a load of horse apples.
You believe this guy, Rico?
ETA to LC, 4 minutes.
Morning, sunshine. Wake up, Rico. Showtime.
Sheldon, where's the good stuff?
Oh, damned if I know. Hell, there may not be any good stuff.
This is for the rebels? Or is it for the Ravello?
One or the other. It's kind of hard to keep track.
Nothing's changed since Banal.
That can't be helped. You see, Sebastiano di Ravello is sitting on a ton of Bavarium, which makes him the agency's best goddamn friend.
This was my home, Sheldon.
Well, enjoy your homecoming. And, don't forget the 45. So, you're meeting your friend, right?
Mario, we go way back.
Good, good. LZ's 2 clicks out.
This should do it. Now,
What are you planning to do, son?
something subtle. Here we go. Wish me luck. Bye.
Okay, let's go. So, yeah, sorry about that little cutout. My computer had a break. That would have been nice to know. Okay, so we're supposed to land in here.
Rico! Is that you?
Me.
See, it's me. Mario! Whoa! Amigo!
I assume it's
the militia
mouse
are
one to
here!
fire.
Take him out!
Yeah.
Yeah! I bet you militia were not expecting Rico!
Get wrecked.
Rico! It's been so long! Years! You came just in the nick of time. The Ravello's militia would have killed me for sure!
Nice work, Mario. You learned a thing or two since I left.
Yeah, you're not too bad yourself, huh? You still don't cover yourself. You must always cover yourself. You don't... This is pure insanity! I saw you coming in on the plane, and you were like... Bah! Bah! It was incredible! I'm glad you're back.
It's good to see you too, Mario.
But the rebels, they're in trouble. We've got to go.
Hey, Mario. I'll try.
Let's go. I'm gonna switch over to my remote in this part because I learned in my previous playthrough, well, not playthrough, but in my previous little time with this game,
Mario, where are you? We're
a
pinned down!
truck is
We're
not
coming! Step on it,
a
Rico!
truck. All vehicles are
You're a
better
rebel
or
now.
easier to
You know
control
how it is.
with the
One thing leads
Xbox.
to another,
God
and then
knows that's so
bang.
hard to say.
Mario
Ow.
Frigo is holding a shotgun fighting the Ravello.
Okay. And just ignore the fact that I've had a ball that never happened. Okay.
A checkpoint! Don't stop, Rico!
Get
Nice one,
over.
Rico!
Mario, come on, shoot at them.
These militia are taking over all the towns, converting the police station to a
I wish
fortress.
that Rico's name was Luigi.
They have to start fighting.
That would make
See,
this so
Rico,
much better.
Medici has changed a lot.
Shoot him. Come on, Mario. Jump on their heads. It's just how it is. This thing's turning radius is so bad unless you use the handbrake, then it's too small.
There they are! I wish we could use that tank, but it's not going anywhere.
I bet the cannon still works.
Wait. Yes.
You're an idiot.
Let's go.
It's you. Let's get him!
Can I move? No. This is pretty cool. Flying a gun pop gun is kind of fun. Wait, you can kill your teammates? You can all just die. You can stop shooting at me. I'm doing your job for you. Thank you. Dang it, can't shoot. Who's that last guy that's shoot? I hear him. Oh, there he is. Headshot. Heck yeah.
The bounty. She's pinned down at the
No, not Dima. Who's Dima?
Do me bending. The farm is compromised. Expect to be overrun soon. Requesting assistance.
Rico, can you go? You have to protect her. I'll meet you up there.
No problem, Mario.
You can take this chopper, Fratre.
Thanks. She isn't home. Switch back on, head over to the mill. controls. I do not like the helicopter controls.
Voice of the General's News Network, your only legal source of current events. Another successful Di Rebello week is in the books. Some minor reports of anti-government action, but we have troops en route to utterly destroy the last pocket of resistance as we speak. Viva Medici!
Is that a minigun? Yo, I think that might be a minigun. Yes. That's Bobos, minigun, and Rex. So, okay, let's just spread the enemy. Why are they shooting at me? Oh wait, those were my teammates.
I mean, I did it and you helped some. But we make a good team, eh? Frigo and it's set.
Is that my helicopter?
Wow, I look amazing.
Ah, there you are.
Dima, Aliu Maral Mas.
Radius was shattered. Scaffold intact. Ah, this rubble must have dated. Huh, ancient. Time for upgrade. Come see me when practical. Oh, practicable. I must investigate.
Dima, it's nice to see you too, Dima.
Oh. Hello.
Yay, we did our first
Your
mission
grappler
apparently.
is still outdated. Come
Let's
see
go-
me for
let's go
upgrade.
head over here.
Oh,
Is this a
change is
grenade launcher?
good.
Looks like it. Ooh, Mario shotgun. Let's go. I'm gonna run that joke into the ground. I swear, if they just let me play for like 2 seconds to go into another cutscene.
This is a dangerous undertaking. Rebellion in Medici. Follow me. For something entirely not clone related. Come. It's an improved model. We can begin field tests immediately. You still have your parachute. Good. I'm glad we were able to reduce a catastrophic failure rate. We were cautious. Thorough. Safety-minded. Not like...
Dima,
Remember Guatemala. I am not cut out for field work, but you rescued me. After Guatemala, I was assigned to study Bavarium. Bavarium exists only in Medici. It's curious. In addition to its magnetic properties, Bavarium can be refined into a powerful explosive, or almost limitless fuel source in the wrong hands. Oh, Rico, Bavarium is in the wrong hands.
we're going to change that. I know I can count on Mario, Dima. What about you?
Made a lot of mistakes, Rico.
Forgiveness begins with action, Dima.
Yes, but No more excuses. I will help. I will meet you at the outpost, Guardia Alpha. You can help me test some new equipment.
Okay, yeah, and the part where the computer...
Launch the grapple. While
not my
reeling
computer,
in,
the part-
open your parachute.
What? So the part when I realized that my audio wasn't doing very well
Now
was
come meet
back
me at
like
Guardia
2
Alpha.
seconds after we started the car sequence. But yeah. So
Try
if
using
into
grapple
this, yeah,
while
this is kind of
parachuting.
cool.
Reel in to pull yourself through air.
It doesn't
like,
really seem much
like
different
flying.
from the previous reeler. Another cutscene, really? I'm smoking.
Stop! Don't! There. Ah, explosion averted.
What?
Explosion?
Safety first.
Are you alright?
Yes, move. Alright. I should be on hand to address any hiccups in the design.
What?
You are not afraid of flying, are you?
No, an acrophobic agent. Preposterous.
Oh, these are rebels.
Salute.
Salute.
What did you do to me?
This is a march of technology. Your grappler has been updated. There is less chance for a violent wind detachment. You can now tether to items and retract. Your friend Mario suggested we call it Hachinotri. Although that name will likely not make it passing.
This Guardia Alpha seems like a good place to start. Maybe take out that gate?
Yes, it will allow you access to the outpost. Oh, I have noted that the rebels are weak at climbing fences. Poor diet, perhaps.
I know you guys have had it rough, but this changes everything. This device will let me tear the outpost apart without bullets.
Okay, hopefully there's not another cutscene.
That did it. I'm going in.
That's kind of cool. Ooh, it's like openers. What if I just attach these two together? That work. Pretty well. They just don't give you a gun. Yay, succeeded.
Extract malfunction.
Wait, is that...
Also, I request additional assistance. Please, note new coordinates.
I thought it was a random civilian.
This is shoddy work. The firewall is positively porous. Is this communication network created by baboons? Impractical. Never mind.
You could have just yelled.
There is an attack imminent. Government forces are approaching.
It's a retaliatory strike for last night.
The rebels are in peril. They'll be overrun, crushed by opposing ground units. It's tragic, yet exciting. Not exciting. Not as an attack exciting. I misspoke. This is an exciting chance to test my newest invention.
What's that?
Also to avert disaster. Put out your hands. Like so.
What are you doing, woman? Huh? Ow!
Done. You now have wingsuit. Handy for gliding. It's best if you start near precipice. Wingsuit to bridge. I hope this works. Both have sex people. We have got to make things right.
I'm not very confident with jumping. Do I have to jump? She's gonna shoot me if I don't jump, isn't she? Let's do it. Oh my god.
Dima.
This is
wingsuit
awesome.
isn't bad.
I'm loving this. Oh, but I was having fun.
Might not have mentioned. I've given you experimental device GE64. Bavarian base-planted explosive.
We'll start with the bridge then. I'm heading to a vantage point now.
Rebello's forces moving quickly. Please, make haste.
Whee!
Ready for the convoy.
Wait, I can interact with objects? Whoa, come on, get off the cliff. Cool, oh wait.
The Rebello's military won't know what hit them.
You guys suck.
Hey, I recommend you make a deadly cool comic quip or... Wait, I'm tracking incoming helicopters. 2 surface
use
air
that
missile
same
batteries
thing?
are nearby.
Oh.
Marking their locations. Recommend reprogramming.
Hello. You're so
Now,
overpowered.
access to Ram's command panel.
Since when is he a
Batteries under
genius
control.
hacker?
Move to the other side. Hurry!
Dang, this dude's also an Olympic athlete. He's got the hops. Let's go! Yeah! Okay. Ooh, wait, red barrels? A dude? I see where the game's going with this. Die. I didn't expect for the explosion to be that big.
That should do it. I've made myself some new friends.
What can I do with this? What if I want Dang it, not again.
Good work, Dima.
And thank you for being test subject. Okay, bye-bye.
Come in. Rico, hello. It's me, Mario. Mario Frico. You remember my grandmother's place? She's cooking tonight. You must come over. Over.
First, let me get
How
out
did you
of
get
this
the comlink,
gorge.
Mario?
Oh, it's over there. Cool.
What? We all got them. Hey, Rico, you're supposed to say over. Over.
We? Over.
Don't worry about the no-com links. Grandmother is all ready.
Rico! Is that you?
It's me,
Not
Gramadre.
that fool. I keep on accidentally hitting my mic.
Mario. To get rid of that junk on my lawn.
Certo, Gramadre. Grandmatre doesn't like the car.
She never did.
Never finished.
I was waiting for you. I don't blame you, you know, for leaving.
Mario, I didn't have a choice.
You know, I never really thought about it. But there's a difference between you look and you see. Look at Medici. She's beautiful. She's a jewel in the sun. But you see Medici. She's completely rotten.
Mario, why'd you get so philosophical?
No, it's nothing like that. I've been helping the rebels. But I'm a small-timer. We're no army. You saw the attacks on the Rebel Week. The rebels were running away. They were hiding. It was embarrassing.
Mario! Rico! It's time for supper!
Matre! Give us 1 minute. We will be inside, please!
Mario, respect.
She's a little bit deaf.
Well, I got a plan. The Revello holds power in the cities and towns. And without his bases, he'll be crippled. We'll gather support, build our forces. I am going to liberate Manea.
That's a tall order, Rico.
I don't think so. We've got to show the people we can take back their cities and towns for them. I'm also going to destroy Visa Electra. That's crazy. It's time to cut the power. Rivello built that plant in what? 3-4 months? I'm going to reduce it to its smoldering wreck in less than a day.
Whatever you do, we've got your back. And whatever you destroy, we'll rebuild.
Bon. Muy bon.
Boys!
But all this talking isn't putting food in my stomach.
Let's go.
Thank God finally. Well, we are just about out of time, so now go to the outro.
Welcome back to...
This is Molten Phoenix signing off and saying, I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time, and remember to like and subscribe if you like this video. Bye.